This is the budding light of hope and knowledge, the delight of Sri Prakash educational institutions, spreading academic brilliance in all directions.
Namaste children, welcome to Sri Prakash Educational Institutions, Tuni. This is Satish. I am teaching social studies for grade 6th. Children, today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Do you know the topic? Shall I ask one question? Where do the tribe people live? Mountains. Okay, very good. In the Tuni, we are living on in which region? Plains. Very good. Where is Chittor and Kadapa located? Plateau. Very good, children. Can you say what are these landforms? Yes, today we are going to discuss about the landforms in Andhra Pradesh. Shall we go, children?
Okay, children, today our topic landforms. Okay, before going to enter in the lesson, end of this lesson, children, you will be able to understand the following points. You can understand about the landforms of Andhra Pradesh, you can understand about the mountains, plateaus, and you can understand about the importance of black soil, and you appreciate the plains due to the high population, and you can understand about the Gangetic plains of India. Okay, children. Then first we go with our agenda. What is our agenda, children? Today our agenda is first words in focus, second one keywords, third one learning outcomes, fourth one content analysis, fifth one summary, next one evaluation, and next one assignment. Okay, children, shall we go? First, we go with the word, children. What is the today word? Describe. What is the meaning of describe, children? Give a description of or to give an account of representation of in words. So conjugations. What are the conjugation, children? Describe, described, described, describing, describes. What are the derivatives? Describer, noun form, describe, verb, described, adjective. Okay, first we see the usages, children. National anthem describes the rivers and the rich heritage of state. Here national anthem describes used as a verb, children. This is verb form. Okay, then we go with next remaining sentence, children. Just we see the remaining examples, some examples. See, this is he described the outline of figure in the sand. He described. Here described is used as a verb. What is that, children? Verb. Next one, it is a descriptive passage. Descriptive. Here descriptive used as a adjective. What is that, children? Adjective. And third one, to explain this, two alternatives are offered by the describer. Here describer is used as a noun form in this sentence. Describer, that is the noun form, children. Next, fourth one, the police asked her to describe the two men. Describe. Here describe is used as a verb. Describe used as a verb. And next one, children, words cannot describe the beauty of the scene. Words cannot describe the beauty of the scene. Here describe is used as a verb form. So this is the word, children, we have to practice while you are speaking to others. Describe. And next, after that, see the keywords, children. From this lesson you will learn the following keywords: landforms, mountains, plains, plateaus, elevated, deposit, densely, cultivation. Okay, then we go with the lesson, children. What about the landforms? What is landform, children? We are living in the plain areas in Tuni, and some of the people living in the mountain region, some of them living in the plateau region. See, if you observe these places, all are not equal. Just you observe, When we travel from one place to another place, we may observe different levels in land shapes like plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys. These are only landforms. When you're traveling, children, you travel from the Tuni to Lambasingi. Lambasingi, it is the hill area. There is a lot of up and downs are there. These are the height places. If we go see the plateau region, these are also height places when we compare with plains. So all the surface of the land is not in same flat, same shape, children. There are some of the up and downs are there. These are called landforms. The shapes are called plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys. These landshapes are called the landforms, children. Landscapes are called landforms. The highest of the landforms measured from sea level. Actually, the height of the on the surface of the earth, children. Any heights on the surface of the earth measured from the sea level. Sea level always 0 meters, children. It is how many meters? 0 meters. It is 0 meters. Sea level always 0 meters, children. We can, for example, have to take the Himalaya mountains. What is the height of the Himalaya mountains? 8,848 meters from the sea level. So you have to take any height on the surface of the earth. We measure from the sea levels. Okay, children. Landforms is nothing but the different levels in land shapes. These are the landforms. Example: plains, plateaus, hills, mountains, valleys. Okay, next one. What is this image, children? Just you observe. This is the mountain, children. What is this one? Mountain. This is mountain. So, what about the mountain, children? Mountains are mountain higher elevated feature of the earth's surface. High elevated. This is just it is the height, children. These are the high elevated features. And mountains have a small summit and a broad base. Here, small summit. It is the peak, children. It is a peak. It is very small. The lands which has more height, and they have steep slope also, children. These are the steep slopes. These are called mountains, children. These are called mountains. Some mountains are higher than the clouds also. These are the clouds, children. Higher than the clouds. Some mountains are higher than the clouds. For example, how to take the Himalaya mountains. These are higher than the clouds. So mountains are very high, very high highlands on the surface of the earth. This is called mountain. Mountain means nothing but the mountain, the land which has more height, steep slope or small summit is called mountain. For example, Himalayas. And next after that we go with next one, children. The climate became cold, children. If you observe the mountain region, climate is very cold. Himalayas, just to take Himalayas in India, are the highest mountains in the world. So in Andhra Pradesh, the mountains mean such as the hills. Landforms are hills. Actually, the high places always has less temperature, children. When you are going into the space, gradually the temperature is decline. The temperature is decline. Just to see, these are the Himalaya mountains. They are the highest peak. Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Himalayas totally covered with ice, children, because these are the height places. Height places always become cold. For example, you have to take Lambasingi. Did you go Lambasingi, children? Lambasingi or Arku Valley. So these are the height places, hill areas. So the temperature is very very less in this region, very cold areas. And next one here, if you see, just observe this is, children. What is this image? Yes, this is the plateau region, children. What is this one? Plateau. What about the plateau region, children? The lava plateaus are rich in black soil. Black soil is good for cultivation of cotton. Just to see, what about the plateau, children? Plateau means a plateau is a elevated flat land. Elevated. Plateaus also not like a mountain. These are also higher places, and they have more flat height. These are high, the land which has height and more flat and a little slope, that is called plateau, children. Just to observe this is, children, the plateau. This is the not like more high and more flat, little high, more flat. These are called plateaus. It is also, the plateau has also slopes, children, in four directions. Slopes, some of them have gentle slope, some of them have steep slope also. These are called plateaus. Plateaus are not higher than mountains, not higher than mountains. Mountains are very high, children. Plateaus are little height when we compare with mountain high. when we compare with the plains, more plateaus are little height and more flat. These are called plateaus. Plateaus are the rocklands, children. Plateaus are rocklands. Living conditions are not suitable because this is totally rockland. So in this area, it is very difficult to live in this area. And next one, if we observe the plateau, children, plateaus are formed by the lavas. So actually, if you observe in the lava, we can find the different kinds of minerals are there. Lava consisted of the minerals, children. So when the lava comes from the volcano, so it is flowing on the surface of the earth. Outside temperature became cold, children. Due to the less temperature, the lava it turned into the rock. That is a plateau. So plateaus are rich in black soil, children. So black soil is good for cultivation of cotton. Very important, children. This is GK bit also. Black soil is good for which crop? Cotton. You can cultivate more cotton in the black soil. So black soils are available in the plateau regions. And next after that, just to see, children, in India we can observe the plateau. What kind of plateau, children? Our plateau is the Deccan Plateau. What is the plateau? Deccan Plateau, it is the oldest plateau, children. Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau. Rayalaseema comes under the Deccan Plateau. Rayalaseema means what are the regions, children? Four districts comes under the Rayalaseema. Chittoor, Anantapur, Kadapa, Kannur. Four districts comes under the Rayalaseema district. Rayalaseema, it is in the Deccan Plateau region. Deccan Plateau is also is a lava plateau, children. It is a lava plateau. Okay, that is the plateau. And next one, already you know that it is in the rich in minerals: limestone, manganese, iron ore, diamonds, graphite, dolomite, quartz. These are different kinds of minerals are available in the plateau regions. Plateaus are very famous for the mineral, children. What is the importance of plateau? We can find the black soil. Black soil is it is important for the cultivation of cotton, and plateaus are important for the minerals also. And plateaus are the made of lava. Example, Rayalaseema, it is located in the Deccan Plateau, children. Okay, next after that, what is the image, children? Some of the people are cultivating crops. So this image is related to the plains. What is plain, children? Can you say? Plains are highly productive, children. Construction of transportation is very easy in the plains. And next, flat lands are suitable for the building constructions, building house. Indo-Gangetic plains of the India are world famous. What about the plains? Plains are high productive, children. Plains are made of soil, children. Made of soil. In the plain area, we can observe the different kinds of soils: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, sandy soil. So these are different kinds of soils. So actually the soil is very suitable for the cultivation. In mostly in the village people, they cultivate the crops in the alluvial soil. In Tuni, just you observe in our locality what kind of soil we have. Alluvial soil. It is totally alluvial soil is very productive soil, children. In the famous world famous plains are Indo-Gangetic plains. What are the world famous plains, children? In Indo-Gangetic plains. Indo-Gangetic plains are very famous in the world. Plains are level lands with flat surface. What is plain? Plains means not like a mountains and plateau, children. It has gentle slope, flat land, flat surface. These are called plains. We are living in the plain area. Yes or no? Yes, we are living in the plain area. Plains have maximum height of 200 meters just above the sea level. These are densely populated area. These are very densely populated area. Why the more people are living in the plain area, children? Plains are suitable for the transportation. Water is available. We can set up the industries and factories also, and markets are developed. More population is available in the plain area because they get more opportunities in the plain. So plains are suitable for the cultivation. Everything is available in the plain area, so that most of the people they are living in the plains. They are living in plains. Okay, children. I hope that did you understand this is plains. Okay, we discussed about the mountains, plateaus, plains. Mountains mean nothing but the lands which are more height. It has the steep slope and consist of stones and rocks. That is a mountain. Example, Himalayas. What is Deccan Plateau? Plateaus are little height, more flat, and has slopes. It is consisted of rocks and stones, hard rocks, that is a plateau, example Deccan Plateau. Plain means flat surface, it has the gentle slope, that is called plain area. Coastal Andhra, totally plain area. Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East, West, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore. Total 9 districts comes under the Coastal Andhra district. These are the plain areas. Did you understand, children? Okay. The summary that the mountains have small summit and a broad base. Some mountains are higher than the clouds. In Andhra Pradesh state, major of high landforms are hills. A plateau is one of the elevated flatland. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep and gentle slope. The Deccan Plateau in India is the oldest plateau. Plateaus are rich in mineral deposits. The Deccan Plateau is a lava plateau. Plains are level lands with flat surface. Plains are densely populated area. Indo-Gangetic plains of India are world famous. Okay, children. Shall I ask some questions? What are the landforms in India? What are the landforms, children? Mountains, plains, plateau, deserts. These are the landforms. What is mountain, children? Mountain means nothing but the land which has more height, steep slope is called mountain. What is plateau? Land which has little height, more flat, steep slope, and which is consisted of stones and rocks, that is called plateau. And one more point, it is formed by the lava. Okay. What is plain, children? Plain means nothing but flat surface, flatlands, and it has the gentle slope, that is called plain. Okay, children, note down the question, children. This is the task at home. It is the homework. Note down in your notebook, children. Into how many categories landforms are divided? Why do plain areas have dense settlement? What is plateau? Can you draw the picture of mountains and plateaus?
Okay, children, I hope that you understood about the landforms of Andhra Pradesh, mountains, plains, plateau. So, in this lesson, we discussed about the mountains, plateaus, and plains. Mountain is nothing but the highlands, and which has a steep slope that is called mountain. Mountains are considered of stones and rocks. Already, you know that most of the tribe people are living in the mountain reserve. And what about the plateaus? Plateaus mean nothing but little height, more flat. It has also slope. So these are it is considered of stones and rocks, children. Chittor, Anpur, Karpa, these are comes under the plateau region, as well as Secunderabad, Hyderabad also located in the plateau. Plains mean nothing but the gentle slope, the land which has the gentle slope, that is a plain region. Okay, children, I hope that you understood this topic. The next class we will meet another topic. Okay, thank you.